Hello, don't forget to do calendar and handwriting before you start your activities today. Hey guys, welcome to our final day of math, day 8. We are going to start by drawing our T-chart. Our number today is going to be 91, so we are going to write a 9 and a 1. Okay, so we are going to explain the place value in 91 by using our place value blocks. So we have the 9 in the tens place and the 1 in the ones place. What number's in the tens place? 9. What number is in the ones place? 1. So we have 9 tens and 1 1. So let's count those out. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then how many ones do we need in the yellow? 1 is correct. So this represents 91. I'm going to give you some time to draw that if you would like. Okay, so we said there are 9 tens and 1 1, because there's only 1. Good job. We are going to move on to spelling 91. That's N-I-N-E-T-Y. 1. Going to give you time to write that down. Okay, good job everyone. We are going to move on to box number 2, where we are going to compare our numbers. So for comparing numbers today, let's do the number 5 and 8. Okay, so we've got less than, greater than, or equal to for our options here. So we're trying to determine, is 5 greater than 8 or less than 8? Let's think about that. Is 5 greater than 8 or less than 8? Let's pull out our blocks over here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then let's count out 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So let's compare right now. So line them up, and you can see that 8 has more than 5. 8 is bigger than 5. 8 is greater than 5. But we have the sentence going this way, so it would be 5 is less than 8. Because our alligator is chomping towards the 8 because it wants more. 8 has more. And 8 actually has 3 more than 5. I'll give you time to write that. Okay, we are moving on to our bottom box. If you want to write that out, you can. If you want to do hand over hand or some kind of handwriting skill with your child, you can at this time. However, I just expect that you follow along with me and kind of go along with what I'm doing in my math word problem. So in our math word problem, once again, we're looking for those clues. So we're looking for those numbers. Usually it would be in number word form, but right now I have them just in their numeral form. So here's our sentences. Jill had 4 roses. How many roses did Jill have? 4 roses. Sam had 5 roses. How many roses did Sam have? 5 roses. How many roses do they have all together? So this is going to be an addition problem. When you have words like all together in a word problem, that means that you are going to combine your numbers. You are adding them together. So we are going to add 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. I'm going to give you some time and see if you can solve 4 plus 5 without me, and then I'm going to come back and check. Okay, let's add 4 plus 5 together. 4 has 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 has 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can also do this with manipulatives if you would like. So let's count those all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So they had 9 roses all together. Good job, everybody. That was our first math journal for day 8. Moving on to math journal number 2, we are just going to divide our board down the middle, or piece of paper. Once again, you can do hand over hand, you can do tracing, whatever works for you and your child. Our number today is going to be 9. So let's say 9. Give you time to write that. The way we spell the number 9 is N-I-N-E. 9. We are going to count out place value dots to represent 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For the bottom part, let's count by fives and then write it out. So I've got my handy dandy paper here to help us count by fives. Hopefully y'all can see that. There we go. Okay, let's count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Good job. Now we are going to write out the fives. So we counted by fives, now we're going to write them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. I'm going to give you some time to write that. So we counted by fives and then we wrote it. Thank you so much for joining me for Math Journal. You guys did awesome.